face a musical spree. Babies gather round for a fun jamboree. Laughter echoes in the hallway so wide as they turn each step into a joyful slide. Sock-clad feet ready to slip and glide, creating a sweet sliding symphony inside. Carpeted steps or wooden so grand, babies boogie with no fear tan. Squeals of delight bounce off every wall, with each gentle thump the music calls. They ride on cardboard or pillows so neat, turning the banister into a seat. A wave of giggles through the day, staircase slide, stair timber leads the way. Tinkling echoes of their sliding pace, a lullaby of fun in this special place. Soft footsteps hurry right up to the top, and swoosh downward, they just can't stop. A chorus of squeals and sweet giggles combine, merging the steps into a melodic line. With each safe landing, smile